In a previous parish, there was this guy who rubbed me the wrong way. I just found him so irritating. And I remember talking to someone who knew us both, an older priest. And basically, this priest said to me, Eric, you gotta remember, when you're dealing with this guy, he's basically a scared little boy. I know it doesn't seem like that, but in reality, he's a scared little boy. And you always have to remember that when you're talking to this person. And I remember when he said that to me, I thought, no, I don't think so. Because I see this guy, he's like aggressive and angry like all the time. Like, what's up with that? But then I thought, what else do I have to lose? I was out of ideas, so I thought, okay, I'll give this a shot. So I decided to relate to him as if he was a scared little boy. Not in a condescending sort of way, but in a sense of like constant conveying through my actions as opposed to my words. Look, it's okay. Like, you're safe, and I love you, and you're my friends, and rinse and repeat, right? Just this constant mode of relating to the vulnerable heart. And it works. Because he was a scared little boy. The primary thing was actually fear, even though it seemed to be anger. Then he calmed down, he stopped trying to prove himself. We were able to have these really rich, beautiful, insightful conversations, and then we became really good friends, and we're friends even to this day. A lot of times when it comes to interpersonal tension, we set the bar like way low. All I can hope for is to not be hurt, to go the way of self-protection. But maybe something else is possible. Not just reconciliation, not just the mending of fences or the building up of bridges, but actually maybe we could become friends.